Yeah, today we are going to make some Aam Panna, that is an Indian raw mango juice. This is Xenia, she just broke the mangoes. These are like the 4 mangoes, and we'll roast it on the wood, and then let's see how it turns out to be. Wait, first put it under this. Yeah, that's important. So here. Just fixing the wood, campfire style, to barbecue the mangoes. Now we put the top part and 4 mangoes from the tree nearby. I think that's too much. Too many mangoes for a little fire. Maybe just 2 or none. Just trying to ascertain that the fire is lit before roasting the mangoes. Oh, I just like that black thing is. She thought the mangoes were black because something happened, and I was saying. Oh, we have been roasting the mangoes, and one is done. Second and third are here, and we left the fourth alone, maybe to eat it later. And we just roasted some cumin seeds, which we'll use later. And now we're roasting some corn. That's for your snack. Now those are our 3 mangoes. Soon we will peel them. For now, just the corn barbecue. India needs this technology. It's a grinder, technological, advanced. Villagers can use this to save women's lives. So this is our peeled mangoes. Here is Xenia peeling them, and this is how it looks like once you burn them enough. Generally people just roast and cut it off, but we can now just use our hands and water to roast them. And this is our corn with lemon and salt. So now we have peeled the mangoes, and it's separate for the flesh and the seeds, and now we'll just grind them and mix them with these spices. Time to make it into a pulp. And mixing it with some water helps. And here we have it, it's ready. Now let's we just mix it with water and stir it well, so it's good consistency, but shouldn't be too thick. It should be like watery, like a raw mango juice. Now we are going to add some roasted cumin seed powder, and keep on tasting it with salt and this and some mint maybe. Let's see. Now we mixed some salt, some cumin seed powder, a bit of red chili and black pepper. Let's see how it is, and mix it with some mint and ice. We put some ice, and this is very thick, so you have to add water later. Okay, and yeah,
This is very nice.
we are having a cooking party right now. The potatoes are peeled by, what is your name again?
I'm Jeff.
Jeff, okay. Jeff and Xenia is, both guys are doing the potatoes. I'm doing the tomatoes, and we are going to have a potato tomato curry, a home meal from India. It will be a lot of curry.
Yeah.
That two kind of powder is okay.
Yeah, like this is very simple, like simple curry. That's generally too much spices are, I don't know how it will taste like, so this is just simple.
In Indian food, I also like the taste in ginger.
Yes, but that is mostly curries with a lot of spices and meat. Chilies, yes. Mm, okay,
Do you cook often?
when traveling, no. Because you see, this is too hard to find everything. To buy ready-made like spices that's available in that.
You can take it.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm really hungry.
Thank you. We just put tomatoes, potatoes, onions, garlic, and chilies, and we have our spices ready, pan ready, just snacking, and then we're ready to cook. Here is the rice. That's putting in some basic cumin seeds for flavor. It's used in a lot of Indian curries. Is the slowest?
Oh no.
Okay, good. Because it will burn very big.
谢谢，你可以帮我把这个。
Yeah, that's what happens.
It's very strong.
Welcome to Indian cooking one. And until you don't come, it's not good.
Oh.
Now putting some water in. That's correct. Then some salt for taste. And this is turmeric powder to give it color and taste. Yeah, because sometimes it's like has a taste and a smell, so sometimes people don't like it. Like generally when we cook Indian food, there's so many utensils you saw like. So we just added tomatoes and it's a lot of curry, but I hope it's good. Curry is a bit spicy and we added now the water, so just it has to cook. And the curry is finally ready. Generally we garnish it with a bit of coriander. The rice is ready.
You can open it if you want to shake.
Ooh. We're ready to eat. Yeah.